Another morning and another doggy. Good morning, babies. Isn't it cute? Oh, you are so cute. Yeah, how is it smelling? Good? Is it smelling good? Oh, pfui. Das ist pfui. Oh, das ist pfui. So today is car wash day. So the car is clean after months, many months, I don't know. When I washed it the last time on the farm, I think. Now we need a vacuum. And I washed also, can you see that? Everything of the wind. Now I will vacuum my cute baby. Here. Feels so good to have a clean car. Look at this and that. And the window, oh my god, my window was never so clean. I'm looking for the oil to do the oil pulling, and look at how big the discount is that was. But they write it was like this, and then this, wow, the biggest discount ever. I'm of course now in McDonald's and I saw this picture. Can you see that? This is where I slept in the night and where I want to go. This is the old bridge, but now here it was working, and I will show you in a few minutes how it looks like now. Voila, this is the bridge. And the people, they are a bit crazy. It's so cold. They have 14 degrees and they are swimming there. And I have this on and this is too cold. And I'm cooking my tea and I'm on the same place to sleep like last night. I hope the doggy will come to me again. I'm playing, I think, since 2 hours and don't see now how beautiful the sunset is, but it's so cold and windy outside. That's why I practicing and I want to be on the point where I was. That's why, but I love it. It is so cool, and I want to play 2 songs when I fly from Australia, and that's why I need to do something new. Okay, I try to play. Don't know, but I wish you a good night, babies.